People talk about there should be age limits on people's jobs and what they can do, for example, in politics, whatever else. I don't agree with the age limit, but I do believe politicians at least should be given a test for brain level functioning. And if they can't pass that test, then they have to step down because there are people that are 80, 90 years old that are sharp as the daylights. However, there are others that at 50s, 60s, and 70s, their brains are not functioning the way they need to. I think that a test for the brain's operation and how well the brain works is probably a better test as far as whether someone can do their job. So, for example, we have our president. If he took a test, I'm not sure he would pass it. Beyond that, I feel bad for Dianne Feinstein, a senator. She's very, very confused, and they're keeping her kind of around because they need to vote on certain issues. And I think if she took a test to see how functioning her brain is and whether she's cognitive abilities are there, I'm not sure she would pass it, but then she'd be forced to retire and they could get someone in that could really do the job. So anyway, think about that. Not necessarily age discrimination, but just taking tests for brain functioning and see if that works, then you keep your job. And if it doesn't work, it's time to go home.